In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a tick or checkmark symbol in Microsoft Word using a variety of methods that you can choose from based on your version of Word and how often you'll need to use the tick symbol. Let's dive right in. First, let's explore inserting a tick via the symbol menu. This is a straightforward method that works well if you're looking to place a tick into your document. To start, position your cursor where you'd like the tick to appear. Then, navigate to the Insert tab in your toolbar. From there, click on Symbol, and then select More Symbols. This will open up a dialog box. Now, you'll need to set the font to something like Wingdings or Wingdings 2. This is because these font types offer special symbols, including ticks. Scroll through the list until you spot the tick or checkmark symbol. Once you've found it, simply click Insert to add it to your document and then close the dialog box. Once inserted, you can format this symbol just like any other text. Adjust its size, change its color, whatever you need to make it fit your document style. Now, if you're only looking to use a tick once or twice, perhaps a quicker option for you is to copy and paste an existing symbol. You might find symbols like this, Yithamo, or online, or within other documents. Just copy the one you like and paste it directly into your Word document where you need it. After pasting, you can still alter the font or size to better match your document's layout. For those using a Windows system with a numeric keypad, there's also a handy shortcut using Alt codes. This method consists of holding the Alt key while you type a specific code on your keypad, which can be an efficient way to insert symbols if you're familiar with it. Before starting, ensure your font is set to Wingdings. Then, position your cursor where you'd like the symbol, hold down the Alt key, and type a code like 0252 or 0254 on the numeric keypad, and then release the Alt key. Voila! The tick symbol should appear. If you'd like, you can then change the font back to your standard text to continue typing as normal. Finally, if you find yourself frequently needing tick symbols, creating a custom keyboard shortcut or setting up an autocorrect option in Word might be the best strategy. While in the symbol dialog, select your chosen tick symbol and click on Shortcut Key. This allows you to assign a specific key combination to insert the tick automatically. Alternatively, you can set up autocorrect by navigating to File, then Options, and then Proofing. Click Autocorrect Options and enter a unique word or sequence like tick to be automatically replaced with the tick symbol each time you type it. And there you have it. With these 4 methods, you have a range of options to insert a tick or checkmark into your Microsoft Word document with ease. Choose the one that feels right for your workflow and enjoy seamless document editing.